real number. For that we have to multiply by conjugate complex number of the given complex number in the denominator. Alright, now let us take 10th question. The question number 10 guys. Question number 10 says express again in the standard form. Express -1 plus iota into root 3 iota into root 3 iota y in the standard form. In the standard form. Okay, so let's solution we are finding out. A -1 plus iota under root 3 is equal to, we keep it as I r into cos theta plus iota sin theta. Here we say r cos theta therefore is equal to -1 and r sin theta equal to root 3. That means squaring and adding r square equal to nothing but under root 3 square. This we know about, plus -1 square. That means 3 plus 1, that means 4. R is equal to 2. This is R value of R. Okay, 2 only. 3 plus 1, 4. And square root of 4 is 2. So this is 2 here. So what does it mean? Cos theta equal to therefore cos theta we have obtained here as -1 and sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Yeah, root 3 by 2. Now what is the value of theta? Here the principal value of theta lies between -pi is less than theta is less or equal to pi in the given interval. Now this minus, now we know that negative cos theta is negative in second quadrant and the sign is positive in the first and second quadrant. In the second quadrant the values are 9. What is the value of this? If in this case theta will be, let me write here. Therefore tan theta, let me take tan theta here, tan theta sin theta from cos theta is equal to minus root 3. Yeah, it is minus root 3. Again minus root 3 of tan theta value is tan 120 degree. Try to understand. Tan 120 degree. So root 3 is for 60 degree and minus is in second quadrant tan is negative. Theta is 3 pi by 2. Yeah, so 2 pi by 3. It is 2 pi by 3. Theta is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means pi by 3 is 60, 60 to the 120. So here theta is 120 degree. So 2 pi by 3 the angle is. Therefore we can express this -1 plus iota root 3. Therefore is equal to r is 2 cos theta. Theta can be substituted as 2 pi by 3 plus iota into sin is 2 pi by 3 in place of theta. And r is 2 here. This is standard form. Okay, so we have converted this into standard form where theta is 2 pi by 3. Theta is 2 pi by 3. Here, as I just told you, this is the theta. Okay, the value of theta must satisfy both the sine and cos, both the trigonometric ratios, sine and cos and tan as well. Okay, so we see here, and that is lying in the -pi to plus pi second quadrant. -pi to plus pi or pi. Okay, this is the interval in the second quadrant. The value of this theta is 9. Okay, this is the answer here. This is the answer. Question number 10 we have completed. We see here that theta is 2 pi by 3 in representing this into form or expressing this in standard form of. Okay, let us take question number 11. Express this in the standard form again. 11th question. Express what the question here, under root 3 minus iota in the standard form. In the standard form. Or in the standard form. This we have to express. So that again, sorry, we put this into that under root 3 minus iota equal to r into cos theta plus iota into sin theta. What we see here, r cos theta equal to root 3 and r sin theta equal to minus 1. Iota combination, this is minus 1 here. So or r equal to minus, here squaring both, we get here cos square theta plus or r square equal to, we just squaring and adding, this we know about. R square equal to square of this is 3 minus 1 square is 1, that is 4, r equal to 2. Therefore cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. Got the point? Root 3 by 2 here. And sin theta minus 1.4. Now it can be, now sin is negative in third quadrant and fourth quadrant, and cos is positive in the fourth quadrant, vice negative in sin. If the value of this, when it is negative, the values can be 2 pi by 3 minus 60 degrees, suppose 2 pi means 360 minus, now root 3 by 2 is for 30 degree, 1.2 is for 30 degrees in sine, and negative 30 degree here. In the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative but cos is positive. Right? In the third quadrant, both are negative, cos is positive. We have got here. This value is 330 degrees. 330 degree upon 2 pi or 360. How do we express this? Into 2 pi we can say. Because this is 2 pi, or sorry, we have to convert this into form of pi by 2 or something. Okay, so in that way, if I express this 330 upon 360, it will give us okay guys, so this is, now what are the values of this minus pi, minus 1.2, pi by 6, this is pi by 6 here, so 30 into 330 was 30 into 11, okay, so this is pi by 6 into, if I take it as 5 pi by 6, okay, so 5 into 30, 5 3 15, only 150, and this is 11 times. If I take 10 times it is 10 pi by 6. So it's 30 degree into 11. If I take 11 pi by 6, it is 11 into 10, 30, 11 into 30, sorry. It is 33, so 11 pi by 6 the value is. So you have to take here theta is equal to therefore tan inverse this upon this is minus 1 upon root 3 for 330 degree. In the fourth quadrant, tan is negative, sine is negative, tan is negative, but cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. Value is 330 degree. That means 11 pi by 6. Theta is 11 pi by 6. So we can substitute this value here in the standard form. Okay, so this was under root 3, therefore minus I equal to it was 2, value of r in cos theta is 11 pi by 6 plus iota into sine 11 pi by 6. Okay, so this is the value here, standard form. Finally, this we have converted into 30 degree 11 pi by 6. Okay, but pi by 6 is 30 degree into 11, 330 degree was there. Okay, now let us take question number 12. Again, the standard form, minus 1 minus iota, this value. Let me take now question number 12. Okay, question number 12 says, question number 12, now it says express the following. 12th question, express minus 1 minus iota under root 3 in the form, in the r into cos theta standard form. This is I into sin theta form. I into sin theta form. This is known as standard form. Again, the same thing, standard form. Okay, so let's solution we are finding out. Let minus 1 minus iota root 3 equal to r into cos theta plus iota into sin theta, or r is equal to here 3 plus 1, that means 4 again squaring, because square will give us r square in this. So r is equal to 2. This is r is equal to 3 plus 1. So r is equal to 2. Okay, that we have obtained. Therefore, if I compare, or r cos theta was minus 1, r sin theta was minus 3. Squaring and adding, we have obtained this r square in the left hand side, and this will be 1 plus 3, that will be 4. Okay, so therefore r is equal to minus 1.2. Sorry, cos theta equal to minus 1.2, and sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now both are negative in third quadrant. Sin is negative in third quadrant, cos is negative in third quadrant. What is the angle? The value of the angle will be, now minus 1.2 is for 60 degree. This is for 60 degree. So 60 means 120, 180 plus. Right? If I take 70 degrees minus 60 degrees, this is 210 degrees. Try to understand. And 260 degrees. So when 200, this is what we have to multiply this by 180 into pi upon 180 into pi, multiply, we convert that into pi upon 0 2 7 ja, sorry 3 7 ja, 3 6 7 pi by 6. Pi by 6 here 7 pi by 6. No friends, this is minus 60 degree, but for 60 degree it is 120. It can be in cos, it can be 120 also, but 120 and 270 minus this 210. Sorry, this is 210. Yeah, exactly 210. So pi upon 180 degree, we have just expressed that. Or if I just express this in terms of pi by 3, so 210 so what 16 to what, if I divide by 16, and this value will be 0 and 2 times, it is 60 only, yeah, 2 pi by 6, and this is 7 here, 3 2 ja and 3 7 ja, so 7 pi upon 2 also is 7 pi by 6. Okay, right. 7 pi by 6 it is coming. No problem. 7 pi by 6 is also giving us the 30 degree into 7. 30 into 7 is right. Come here 21, 210 degree. Alright. That is 7 pi by 6. Theta equal to here 7 pi by 6. Theta equal to 7 pi by 6 is 210 degree. 210 degree is more than 180, lying in the third quadrant. In third quadrant both are negative, sine and cos. Okay, and tan is positive in the third quadrant, but both are negative, sine upon cos is positive in this case. Alright, so this is how the value is. So therefore r is 2 here expressed, and cos theta was, yeah, it was 7 pi by 6 plus iota sine 7 pi by 6. This value is there. Okay, so this is how we express this as iota root 3. Now come to the next thing. Minus 1 minus iota and root 3 is equal to this value. 2 into this cos 7 pi by 6 and this 210 degree. No problem. Let us take now next question 30. So this is expressed. We are expressed this in the form of this. And r is 2, cos theta is, in place of theta we have sin pi by 6. That is the expression of this question number 12. Let us take question number 13. So question number 13 is also of the standard form we have to express. Now question 13 says, okay, 13th question is express 1 minus cos alpha with I sin alpha in the standard form. Let us take this. So 13th question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is express 1 minus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. Iota sin alpha in the standard form. In the standard form. Okay, now if I just express this, this is 1 minus cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. This solution we are finding out. Now two methods I have to apply here. First I am just equating and then solving it. This is equal to let this is equal to, let this whole is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta, iota sin theta. So equating again, r cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos alpha and r sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Squaring and adding, we get here r square is equal to squaring and adding. Here we will get 1 minus cos alpha whole square plus it is sin square alpha. It will give us 1 minus 2 cos alpha plus cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. This is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 cos alpha. This is 2 common. 1 minus cos alpha we have taken. But 2 into 1 minus cos alpha is 2 sin square alpha by 2. Try to understand. Why? Since cos 2 alpha is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. So 2 sin square alpha into 1 minus cos 2 alpha. But if it is single angle, if it is half angle, then it will be 1 minus cos alpha. 1 minus cos alpha, this is value. 1 minus cos alpha equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2 that we have substituted. Okay, so we have substituted this. Now it is 2 common, so it is 4 times. It is 4 into sin square alpha by 2. Therefore r is equal to 2 into sin alpha by 2. The value is r. R we have calculated. Now what is then tan alpha? If we now find what is tan alpha, tan theta. This is tan theta is r sin theta upon r cos theta. That will give us r is this. Now I have to find out what is theta angle. So tan theta is equal to sin theta upon this sin alpha upon 1 minus cos alpha. That will give us 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 in the numerator. Sin alpha is converted into sin 2 alpha is 2 sin theta cos theta. But sin alpha is 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Try to understand. Divided by 1 minus cos alpha, that we have just converted into 2 sin square alpha by 2. 2 cancelled out, 1 sin alpha cancelled out. It is cot alpha by 2. Cot alpha by 2. We can write it as tan alpha, tan of pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. Try to understand. Tan pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. So theta equal to pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. What the point? Cot alpha is expressed as tan pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. That means cot alpha by 2. This is cot alpha, cos alpha upon sin alpha by 2. Okay, so this is equal to, therefore theta is. So we have expressed this as theta is equal to, therefore pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. Okay, theta is this value. And r was r here 2 sin alpha by 2. Yeah, it was 2 sin alpha by 2. Therefore 1 minus cos alpha plus iota into sin alpha is equal to r. R was it was 2 sin alpha by 2. This was the value into cos theta. Now theta is pi by 2 minus alpha by 2 plus iota into sin pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. That was the value. What are these values? Cos sec is sec, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 minus is sin alpha by 2 plus I into this is cos alpha by 2. Okay. It will give us 2 into sin alpha by 2 and this is sin alpha by 2 iota into this is cos alpha by 2 because sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta and cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. Sin alpha by 2 minus this I into cos alpha by 2. This is the value. This is one expression, 1 minus cos alpha plus I into sin alpha equal to this value. Okay, this is in standard form we have expressed. Now, if I express this directly, alternate method. Now, let me take a little method or alternate method. Now, let me take a little method or alternate method. What is alternate method? Directly. If I take left hand side here 1 minus cos alpha plus I into sin alpha can be written as 1 minus cos alpha is nothing but 2 into sin square alpha by 2 plus I sin alpha 2I into sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. You can write like this. Take common sin alpha by 2. If I take common, it will be sin alpha by 2. This sin alpha by 2 left over plus I into cos alpha by 2. Try to understand. The same value is obtained here. This is 2 sin alpha by 2 bracket sin alpha plus I cos alpha by 2. Same value is obtained. So this is the direct method or alternate method here or alternate method we have taken. So this is the process of solving either this way or that way. Okay, this is standard form. We have converted into question number 14. Now guys, question number 14. Let me take question number 14. Okay, if I just clean it. Question: how to multiply cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cos beta into sin beta. Okay, I sin beta. Let me multiply that. Now multiplication of two different complex numbers, which we have already done, but let me now take it. Okay guys, question number 14. 13 we have done. 14th question. It said how to multiply or what is the multiplication of how to multiply cos alpha plus iota sin alpha. This is one complex number, and cos beta different angles into I sin beta, I sin of beta. This is the value here. Cos beta plus I sin beta. If we multiply them, let us express that. So multiplication, solution here. First we put them multiplication of that. So here cos alpha plus iota into sin alpha into cos beta plus iota sin beta, that we multiply it. And from this, after multiplication, we will get a simple rule here. What is that simple rule? I'll just declare that, but before that let me multiply in the simple manner. First multiply by cos alpha. It will be cos alpha into cos beta plus cos alpha into I sin beta, that means I into cos alpha into sin beta, plus now by I sin alpha, it will be I into sin alpha into cos beta, plus I into iota square into sin alpha into sin beta. Try to understand. So putting I square is equal to 1 minus 1. This cos alpha cos beta. As iota take common here, it is sin alpha, let me write first sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, then minus sign, this is plus minus 1 in place of I square is minus 1 into sin alpha into sin beta, which is sin beta. So we obtain here, this is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta plus iota within bracket is sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Now what is this value? This is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, nothing but cos of alpha plus beta, addition formula for cos. You know that when plus sign is there, then cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. But if there is minus sign, cos A minus B, it will be cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Different sign for this. But in case of sin A plus B is plus sign, sin A minus B will have minus sign. But in this case, it is different sign. It is minus sign. It is cos alpha plus beta plus iota. This is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Nothing but it is sin A plus B, that is alpha plus beta. What do we see? We have the same angles, cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. It means we multiplied only two functions here with having alpha and beta as angles. Those angles are added up and the number is okay. Similarly, we put the same number as cos alpha plus I sin alpha, but angles will be different. After addition we get. Similarly, this is multiplication of two complex numbers, the trigonometric functions of trigonometric as real numbers. So similarly, now if I write here sin alpha, sorry, this is cos alpha first. This is cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos beta plus I sin beta into cos gamma plus I sin gamma will be equal to how much? Simple. Cos alpha plus beta plus gamma. Angles are added up plus iota into sine of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, so this is how number of angles are multiplied. So the angles are there added up. The angles are added up in the resultant complex number. Resultant complex number will have addition of these angles. So this is cos alpha plus beta plus gamma if multiplied by 3 complex numbers having cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cos beta plus I sin beta, cos gamma plus I sin gamma, then we will multiply them. So this is the process of solving these questions here. Got the point? Very important formula this is. So this is applicable for this kind of questions next time. And let us take the next question 15. Question number 15. Question number 15 now. Okay guys, question number 15. Now it says express this and this in the form r sin theta plus I cos theta. Question 15. To express for that, this is under root 3 minus 1 plus iota in under root 3 plus 1 under root 3 plus 1 in the form or in the standard form in the form r cos theta iota sin I sin theta plus iota sin theta, sorry, r cos theta plus I sin theta. Alright, this way we have to express this. Here we get, so let's this is solution. Solution is that under root 3 minus 1 plus iota into under root 3 plus 1 is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. So this implies that under root 3 minus 1 equal to r cos theta and under root 3 plus 1 equal to r sin theta. Squaring and adding, we get r square within bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is first equation. Let me take second equation. Squaring and adding we get this. Okay, so r square sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to this one. This is under root 3 minus 1 whole square. That means that first under root 3 minus 1 square plus under root 3 plus 1 whole square. That will give us 3 plus 1 minus 3